Hello, and welcome to this video about foxes. In this video, we will talk about the following topics. Where do foxes live? What are some unique characteristics of foxes? What are their eating habits? How are their hunting schedule and territory determined? How do foxes hunt? How do they hunt in the snow? We have to agree that every human being is acquainted with cunning foxes, and we never forget to wonder about them. Their hunting strategy remains a mystery to many as well. So in this video, we will talk about foxes and how they hunt in the snow. Where do foxes live? Foxes are omnivore mammals living in a range of habitats, including forests, grasslands, mountains, and deserts, and are found all over the world, especially in Asia, Europe, North America, and North Africa. These cunning and intelligent animals are known for adapting to the human environment very well. They build dens in the ground that sometimes have multiple doors or openings, giving access to the outside world while creating a safer shelter at night, and they also use their dens to store extra or unused foods. What are some unique characteristics of foxes? There are about 27 species of fox, and they are often mistaken for other Canidae members, which include dogs, wolves, and jackals. Their thin legs, pointed nose, and wide, untamable tails make them stand out from their relatives. Though foxes like to stay alone, they will stick near their family members and send signals to other foxes through vocal howling when they are roaming out. Many kinds of research on foxes have revealed that foxes are nocturnal animals, and their unique behavioral pattern differs from other nocturnal animals. Foxes on average are around the same size as medium-sized dogs and pretty light in comparison with other animals. Their tails can grow to 12 to 22 inches, and they are also swift runners. They have the ability to hear from a far distance and have amazing eyesight and sense of smell that altogether explain how they hunt so perfectly at night for survival. What are their eating habits? Foxes are omnivores, which means they live in consuming a variety of food. These ferocious creatures will eat small mammals such as rabbits, mice, etc., and also birds, frogs, eggs, fish, insects, worms, and seeds. In addition to that, these opportunistic hunters fill their belly up with fruits, berries, nuts, apples in seasonal demand, and even fungi. In conclusion, they will feed themselves with any other edible things that are easily available or they are capable of catching. How are their hunting schedule and territory determined? The packs of fox consist of older siblings, mates, foxes who are capable of bearing children, and mothers. The female foxes are called vixens, while the baby foxes are named cubs. With some exceptions, most of these cunning animals sleep in the daytime and prepare for the night, to hunt of course. Even though they are rarely seen during daylight hours, their hunting schedule can vary depending on where they live. If their surrounding environments are safe enough, they can also hunt during the daytime. They have a large hunting range, as a sole fox can claim territory from 1 to 5 square miles. Like many other omnivore creatures, foxes mark their territory by urinating and continuously roam over to their territory looking for food. How do foxes hunt? Foxes patrol over a wide area and maintain several burrows across their territory. They might fight with other foxes to secure their territory and hunt down their competition. Their hunting process starts by stalking their prey. Thanks to their excellent hearing and smelling abilities that help their hunting techniques. The solitary fox hunts more like a cat, slowly and quietly stalking its prey until it gets within a striking distance. Before delivering the killing bite, the fox pounces on and pins the small animal with its paws. The cubs are trained after reaching a certain age where they no longer live on their mother's milk. They are allowed to leave their den for play sessions. The mother fox would bring back alive small prey like frogs or mice to teach them how to kill and hunt. They are taught everything needed for survival, including which smell to trust and which to run away from before they are abandoned. Dawn and dusk are two important periods when the foxes do a lot of hunting, but in no situations the hunting is confined to that period. They can hunt anytime, provided that there is an opportunity to do so. How do they hunt in the snow? The snowy winter undoubtedly feels brutally devoid of life, but a specific group of animals has figured out ways to survive. When the temperature drops to minus and deep snow makes it hard for scavenging, these legendary foxes manage to keep body and soul together. Foxes have well-developed senses of sight, auditory, touch, and smell, and use all these senses to hunt. They can locate prey by judging sounds. Like many other predators, foxes have binocular vision, with both eyes facing forward. Because each eye sees the same scene slightly differently, binocular vision allows the brain to calculate distance. Their ears are especially sensitive to low frequencies, and they can hear animals burrowing underground. If they can hear an animal underground, a fox can dig it up and catch it. Young foxes have to travel 100 kilometers on a winter day searching for food, scraps, and scavenging from others. But a mere faint sound beneath the surface of the snow can give them the light of hope to continue their hunt. That is the time when they became a hunter and start using their extraordinary hunting strategy. They start looking for food by using their incredible sense of hearing to carefully listen to little footsteps of creatures hiding underneath the layers of snow. They have to be careful even when breathing, as not to create any distracting sound. They jump and swing in the air before diving and striking the spot of snow where the sound occurred. They start digging the snow until they find what they were looking for. It is very unlikely to catch prey on the first try, but they keep trying and trying until they succeed. It is hard to catch something that they can't see and not easy to judge the lead and depth of the snow. They got stuck in the snow and had to endure the pain while searching for food. It takes time, but mastering hunting is vital to make it through the icy winter days. The hard work of these unsung heroes is rewarded when they finally get their prey after lots of trying. Winter is tough as food gets scarcer and sometimes the sun disappears for long. But these medium-sized killing machines are undaunted. They will dig into, run as fast as they can, and scavenge through the night for food.